Dorman Products is dedicated to providing you the best-in-class automotive replacement parts. We give you more quality, more innovation, more coverage, and more expertise. It all starts right here at our corporate headquarters in Colmar, Pennsylvania, where all of our market research, engineering, testing, and quality control is done in-house by the Dorman Window Regulator team. In 2003, Dorman Products launched the first window regulator SKUs to the aftermarket, pioneering a product line that brought tremendous growth to the industry by providing technicians and car owners an alternative to buying parts from the dealer. Our dedicated, experienced team is focused solely on window regulators and motors and ensures that our application-specific parts deliver on their promise of proper fit, form, and function. Our ongoing market research allows us to introduce the most in-demand SKUs and quality parts you need for your business.
Here at Dorman, we recognize that in order to remain competitive in the automotive aftermarket, we must continue to make the appropriate investments in our infrastructure. In the last 2 years, we've invested over $1 million in our window regulator test laboratories, quality system development, and additional staffing in our engineering and quality departments to guarantee superior product quality. This investment demonstrates our commitment to this product line today and in the future.
More quality. For every new SKU we add to our program, we check the original part for performance, fit, and failure modes. This establishes a baseline and uncovers opportunities for improvement when designing the Dorman part. All tests and evaluations are performed on the original part, individual components, and the Dorman redesigned part to ensure they meet the needs of our customers. We perform three-dimensional coordinate measuring on both the original window regulator and its corresponding door. The extra step we take of measuring the door means the regulator we design is guaranteed to fit. In other words, you won't have to risk damage to the replacement regulator by altering the product coming out of the box. No bending, twisting, or adjusting the replacement regulator to make it fit on the door. These measurements become controlled engineering drawings at our manufacturing facilities used to build the Dorman part. Dorman has the largest door inventory in North America. This allows us to measure not only the window regulator, but the door it fits into to ensure fit, form, and function. If there's a problem with a part from a particular make, model, and year, Dorman has the resources available in-house to retest the fitment and be responsive to changes in the market. Our engineering team evaluates the original part and the Dorman redesigned part and its components using several tests to ensure proper fit, form, and function. The tensile test measures the strength of the cable and the amount of force needed to unsecure the cable. This test evaluates individual elements of the regulator assembly for its ability to function in extreme conditions. Material hardness testing is used to verify performance of the materials in the original and Dorman redesigned part. The test measures the critical dimensions of an indentation left by an indenter exerting a specifically set force. Material hardness is dependent on many material characteristics. If a material tests poorly, our engineering team continues testing to determine if the failure is design, process, or material related, and makes the necessary adjustments to provide a best-in-class product. The motor dyno test measures a variety of motor characteristics such as RPM, current draw, power, and efficiency. This test is used to benchmark the performance of the original equipment and certify the Dorman redesigned part meets the parameters for the specific vehicle application. Cycle testing validates the durability and performance of every Dorman regulator and motor over extended cycles. Each regulator is installed in its corresponding door and tested for 20,000 cycles, which is equivalent to 6 to 8 years of normal use. Through installation and testing of window regulators in our controlled testing environment, we've discovered design issues that contribute to failures and ultimately correct those problems. Finally, each and every Dorman window regulator is tested on a vehicle to ensure a trouble-free installation, excellent performance, and operational durability. This real-life testing assists the Dorman team in creating step-by-step installation instructions, assists with discovery of issues with the fit, and gives insight into future product enhancements. On-vehicle testing also allows our team to inspect for other design flaws that can cause regulator failure or excess stress on the regulator leading to eventual failure. More innovation. Dorman window regulators are re-engineered to improve the original design. For example, cable sheath retainers are redesigned with improved materials to eliminate cable pullout. Scissor-style regulators provide improved steel thickness, which eliminates the bending and twisting that often leads to failures. Dorman window regulators also feature the latest technological advances in motors, materials, and cable systems applied to new and previously released applications. More coverage. Dorman's window regulator program gives you more opportunities to say yes because of our market-leading coverage, our exclusive coverage of Dorman-only SKUs, and the right coverage. Our window regulator team researches and develops the most failure-prone applications so you don't have to go back to the dealer. Make Dorman your first choice for window regulators. We promise more quality, more innovation, more coverage. New since 1918, Dorman Products is dedicated to providing you the best-in-class automotive replacement parts.